Hi everyone, my name is Allison Grosz. I'm an attorney and a partner with Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC in New York City. Today I want to do a quick update on the annual asylum fees because we know a little more information now than we did when I first put out a video regarding the fees. As a reminder or a quick recap, the annual asylum fee is due for anyone who has a pending asylum application with either the Immigration Court or USCIS as of or after October 1st, 2024. These annual fees are due to either the court or USCIS depending on where your case is pending. A few weeks ago, we began getting not only notices, but the EOIR, the Immigration Court payment portal, opened up for people who have pending cases before the Immigration Court, and all of those fees were due before September 30th, 2025. So that means that anyone who has an asylum application pending before the Immigration Court, who is currently in Immigration Court proceedings, needed to pay those annual asylum fees to keep their applications pending on or before September 30th, 2025. Now, of course, I'm sure there are plenty of people who missed this deadline for various reasons. It is our recommendation that people go ahead and pay that fee, even if it's late. Always keep a copy of the payment receipt and be able to present that to the immigration judge or the Department of Homeland Security if and when it is ever requested. Now, going forward, we know a little bit more information about the asylum fees due to the asylum office, as well as now the asylum fees that have been due to the court. First of all, it's important for everyone to know that this fee is due for every applicant, not every application. What that means is anybody that has an alien number who has a case either pending before the court or has an asylum application and is either the principal applicant or one of their derivative applicants owes the annual asylum fee for the asylum application while it remains pending. What you will need to pay this fee is your alien number when it comes to the immigration court, and you can do online payments through the EOIR payment portal. We will be providing a link below this video for easy access to the EOIR payment portal. Going forward, we, in the last several days, have finally started receiving notices about the USCIS annual asylum fees. Now, it's important for applicants to know that if you are not in immigration court, you should not be paying your annual asylum fee through the immigration court or the EOIR payment portal. Instead, there is a different payment portal. We are also providing that link to the USCIS asylum annual fee payment portal below this video. Your fees, if you have an asylum application that's pending before the USCIS asylum office, will be due to that USCIS payment portal, not the EOIR payment portal. Now, again, what we know about the USCIS payments is that it will be due per applicant, not per application. And what's important to have to pay your annual asylum fee to the USCIS asylum office is a copy of your biometrics appointment notice that you received for your asylum application when it was filed, because this has a unique receipt number associated with it. You'll need a copy of that receipt number so that you can enter it into the payment portal, as well as your alien number, and you will be using this receipt number along with your alien number to make that online electronic payment for your annual asylum fee. What's important for asylum applicants to know is that USCIS is notifying each individual person with an asylum application that's pending when the time comes for them to make their payment. And that time is on the anniversary of the person filing their asylum application with USCIS. What that means is today is October 9th, 2025. As an example, if you filed your application on October 9th, 2024, you should expect to be receiving a notice both through your electronic online USCIS account as well as to your home address that the payment is now due and that you have 30 days to make the payment from the time that you receive this notice on the anniversary of your asylum filing. Now, we're very happy that we finally received all of these notices about how people can pay their annual asylum fee, both to USCIS as well as the Immigration Court. Of course, it's extremely important to pay these fees in a timely manner if you have not already done so and if your payment is due. You can always find us online at hemrick.law. You can call us at 833-848-7838. We're, of course, happy to answer any questions about the asylum fee, about the annual asylum fee, or about any other immigration matter, and we look forward to talking to you soon.